How you doing? My name is Darren Johnson, and I wanted to show you my results in this program. I've been with CopyProTraders for 10 days now, and already I've made quite a few profits off my trades. And I started on the 26th of March, and today is the 5th of April. And you can see here, this is my cryptocurrency trading log. And you can see all the assets that I've acquired, the trading amounts, the buy times, the buy prices, the sell time, the date of sale, the amount that I accrued after the sale, the outcome, which is the percentage of the profits that I made, as well as the actual profits in the last column or the column next to it. And then in the last column, you can see my grand total profits. Again, I've been with CopyProTraders for 10 days now. And I've already accrued $695.15, and I'm just getting started, just kind of going through, showing you what this means. So the yellow highlighted rows here are active trades. So these are trades that I'm actively in, and you can see there are about 10 there are about 10 trades here that are yellow that I'm actually in right now. Everything that's not yellow has already closed. You can see at the bottom I actually have one losing trade. I lost $3.19. You know, a big deal, right? And I think that overall that's excellent. We're talking about one losing trade, and you can see all these green numbers here are actually profits that I've made after the trades were closed by my selected trader. And you can see I have $33.11, $15.19, $47.34. I think my biggest win so far was this one, $65.66. And you can see it just goes on and on as I scroll up. Now, you know, these are my results. Of course, there's one for $58.41, $58.18. So my wins are averaging anywhere from, I don't know, I guess 2% all the way up to 12% per trade, which is excellent, considering the amount of trading that's actually taking place that I've experienced in 10 days. Now, again, your experience might be different. I don't know, you know, which trader you're going to select or how that trader is going to be doing, but I'm just sharing with you my results. Again, 10 days. It looks like I've got about, that would be about 33 trades that have been made in 10 days, and I've profited $695.15. And this is all verifiable right here in the back office of my Kraken exchange. You can see these are the trades that have been executed. You can see sell, and then what I accrued. Buy, what I bought it at. This is another one. Buy is another buy order. That's another buy order. And all I do is I take this information and I write it into my cryptocurrency trading log, the same exact numbers, and I have this formula that I put together so that it'll calculate for me what my outcome is, what my profits are, and how much I've profited so far. So if you're interested in this, I'm happy to give it to you once you decide to join CopyProTraders. We'll make sure you have this, and I'll walk you through how it works so that you can plug in your own personal numbers. But yeah, this is all documented. This is proof that CopyProTraders is the real deal. I get to keep all my cryptocurrency. They never touch it. It's safely placed in my own Kraken exchange. And when they make a trade, you know, I get to follow their trade. So when they make a trade, it sends a signal to my Kraken exchange, and I make that same exact trade. When they sell, it sells for me, and it's totally hands off once you set it up. I don't have to do anything. I check on it every single day just because I like to see how things are going. And, you know, when you're getting profits like this, of course, you want to see the numbers grow. So, you know, I check into it as well. And also I follow my trades very closely. So I plug all my numbers into my own personal trading log just so that I can, you know, see how my business is doing. This is an excellent way to generate an additional income if you're looking to do so. That's how I'm using it, and I love it, and I can't wait to see what's in store tomorrow. So again, this is Darren Johnson. I just wanted to share with you my own personal results with CopyProTraders.